Yeah.
Yep.
These are what you call low altitude bursts. They don't want them to get lost in the clouds.
How do you make them stay like this?
Well, there's a precise amount of accelerant that they use to launch them into the air. And they know exactly how high they're going to go. Because they have to shoot them high enough so that everyone can see them, but not too low so that the sparks hit the ground, because that could cause a fire.
Causing a fire?
Yeah, you don't want those sparks hitting the ground because they could set stuff on fire.
Oh yeah, it happened on Day of the Diesels. Diesel 10 snapped his claw really hard and the sparks fell on the ground, and Posey went in there and he said, fire.
Oh yeah.
It was a real fire.
Look at that one. Did you see that? It was a heart shape.
Yeah.